I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Tom asked Matthew why so many people become lost chasing success, even though by many metrics Matthew has achieved tremendous success. Matthew said the problem is people's destination or vision of success rarely matches the reality once achieved. He has found more fulfillment enjoying the process than the results. Matthew believes achieving lasting satisfaction requires seeing life's paradoxes and contradictions. It means fully committing at times to ambitious goals, but it also requires occasionally disconnecting to appreciate present moments since peak experiences are fleeting. Chasing unreachable goals with an immortal mindset energizes the climb more than the summit. Matthew aims to challenge himself, sharing unfiltered self-expression instead of playing others' characters. He views life itself as the big show, where time is the ultimate director. He now focuses on intuiting and creating based on what matters to him rather than chasing others' vision of success. Matthew is hosting a free virtual event called The Art of Living to share tools for fulfillment. He says admitting our lies and rewriting flawed social contracts moves us towards truth. We must define what more means beyond material gains and cling less to false identities. The path forward requires radical accountability and responsibility. Matthew believes values provide direction, gratitude gives life meaning and promotes generosity. Risk-taking creates opportunities. Committing fully despite fear of failure is freeing. The more we serve our interests, the more we can serve others. Tom notes that risk-takers often have stable foundations. He asks how Matthew continually reinvents himself. Matthew says decisions require balanced intuition, reason, and gut feel. He rejects rigid either-or thinking. Choosing movement creates possibilities, even if the initial goal proves elusive. His family anchors and encourages his ambitious pursuits. Matthew calls himself a wolf, renegade, and creator, identities fostered by his unconventional upbringing. He resists resigned acceptance that that's just business. Staying tethered to timeless values matters more than fixating past expectations. He aims to integrate paradoxes, not just reject contradictions. Tom asks how Matthew sustains his marriage's health. Matthew says his wife insisted his career separations last under 10 days to protect family ties. Her support empowers his focused quests. He strives to reciprocate her grace when his risk-taking proves fruitless. They anchor each other while encouraging individual growth. When asked how he teaches his kids, Matthew replied that technology's virtual world risks distorting youthful identity. He instructs them to discern social media's facade of popularity versus nurturing real-world community. Daily family dinners ground their values like gratitude and delayed gratification. Matthew aims to build their character, not engender entitlement. In closing, Matthew invited people to join his free online event, The Art of Living, on April 24th to transform knowledge into wisdom applied for satisfaction. He believes projecting purpose fuels the individual change that enables collective progress. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.